I guess. Nope. Jammed again. He's standing right there, dude. You need part of this. If they understand it. All right, guys. I've never prided myself on being a good turkey hunter. Or a coyote hunter, I'm sorry, we're coyote hunting. But I don't think we could have messed that up any worse. So Jode, I got Jode on the gun. His gun jams right off the bat. And he clicks and jacks shells and the coyotes won't leave. They're still hanging out. And so I grabbed the gun over here and I can't get the shell to go in. And they come back how many times, Jody? 5 times?
5 times, brother.
So we're fixing to start throwing knives, and we got a crossbow in here. We made a crossbow. That's a debacle right there.